Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on projection of lines. The question says the line AB 80 mm long has its end A in both horizontal plane and the vertical plane, and it's inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal plane and 45 degree to the vertical plane, and you have to draw its projection. So this is a line AB 80 mm long. Its end A is in both HP and the vertical plane. So the line is here. So it is on the axis and it is inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal plane. So in the front view, this angle will be 30 degree and 45 degree to the vertical plane. So this angle is 45 degree. So this is how the line will be in the front view. This is the line will be like this, and it will be inclined. So moving towards the solution, first we'll draw a horizontal straight line. This will be the XY line. Now the point A will be on the XY line, as the end A of the line AB is on both HP and the VP. So this is the point A. Now it is 30 degree to the HP, it is inclined. So I'll mark an angle of 30 degree. I'll draw a line. So this is the line 30 degree. This angle and 45 degree to the vertical plane. So bottom side in the top view, an angle of 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. So the true length front view is theta. Theta is 30 degree and true length phi is 45 degree in the top view. Now on compass, I'll take the true length distance of 80 mm. Keep it on A and cut an arc, as this line is the true length. This point will be B dash. Through that point B dash, I'll draw a line parallel. That will be the locus of point B dash. So through this point B dash, I'll draw a line. This is locus of point B. This is the true length that is given 80 mm. Now same true length, we will mark it here. This is P1 dash and the true length, this is again 80 mm. This is point B1. Now I'll draw lines from B1 dash and B1 towards their opposite sides. So like this, I'll draw the lines intersecting to the center axis line. Now we have to find the front view length and the top view length. This intersecting point, I'll give it as B2. This is as B1. This I change to B2. I'll mark this locus as FF dash, and also I'll draw a parallel line from the point B2. This is the locus of point B. I'll mark this as TT dash. On compass, I'll take the distance from A to B2. Draw the curve touching towards the upper line. Now this distance is the front view length. I'll draw this dark. This I'll mark as B dash. This is the front view length or the elevation length. I'll measure this as 55 millimeter. And with same procedure, taking this distance on the compass, I'll draw an arc cutting towards the bottom line. Joining these 2 points, A to this point is B, and this is the top view length or the plan length. It measures 70 millimeters. So this is the plan length or the top view length. This is the horizontal plane. Question says only to draw the projections, but I'll find out the angle inclination also. So this inclination angle with the front view, this angle is denoted as alpha and it measures 45 degree. Same in the top view, this angle with the top view, the angle is 55 degrees and it is denoted by beta. I'll just write here all the angles. Alpha 45 degree, beta 55 degrees, front view length or the elevation length is 55 millimeter, top view length or the plan length is 70 millimeter. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.